Hello everyone, I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com, here to help you understand and use the idiom, bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew. Before we begin, let's define what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase or expression that has a meaning other than what the words in the expression indicates. Now, what does bite off more than you can chew mean? It means take on difficult work that is beyond your capabilities. Now let's practice using the idiom bite off more than you can chew in a few sentences. Andrew told his boss that he will triple the sales, but in reality, he bit off more than he can chew, and now we are in trouble. By working 2 full-time jobs, he is clearly biting off more than he can chew. Don't bite off more than you can chew by accepting the remote job. Can you think of any situations that you've been in where you bit off more than you can chew? Put them in the comments. I'd love to read them. I'm Jason from MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get notifications about new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.